Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Shark POWERDETECT Ultralight Corded Stick Vacuum HZ4002, a powerhouse designed to make cleaning effortless with smart sensor technology and powerful suction. If you want a vacuum that adapts to your floors and fights pet hair, this one delivers. Let me break down the specs. It weighs under 10 pounds with dimensions 9.8 by 10.23 by 46.15 inches, making it ultra lightweight and easy to maneuver. The DuoClean Detect system features 2 brush rolls with Intelli-Sense sensors that automatically adjust brush roll speed for optimal performance on all surfaces. Floor Detect uses an ultrasonic sensor to identify floor type and adapt instantly, while Direction Detect recognizes forward or reverse motion and directs suction both ways for maximum cleaning. The self-cleaning brush roll actively removes hair as you clean, preventing rep without any manual work, perfect for pet owners. Anti-Allergen Complete Seal with HEPA filtration traps 99.99% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum. Odor Neutralizer Technology guards against bad odors with a replaceable cartridge that releases a subtle scent. The self-standing design stays upright when paused, and it converts easily to a handheld with included pet power brush, Crevice tool, and Upholstery tool. User reviews rave about the incredible suction power, noting cordless vacuums can't compete on deep cleaning area rugs. Pet owners love the zero hair wrap and how it pulls embedded fur carpets leave behind. The smart surface detection works flawlessly, and the lightweight build makes stairs and maneuvering effortless. Some users mention the cord is stiff when new and the dust cup is smaller, requiring more frequent emptying, but the performance more than makes up for it. If you want a lightweight, intelligent corded vacuum with beastly suction and pet-friendly features, the Shark POWERDETECT HZ4002 delivers. Link in description. Thanks for watching.